How to make a classroom puppet show. Each December in my classroom, I do a class play. We start on it right at the beginning of November by writing a script with my class. This is a student-led play, so they pick the plot, their characters, and their lines. They also make the sets and costumes. If you want to watch a video about me making a class play, I have one at this channel. This year, I decided to put on a puppet show with my students. I have never done this before, but it's a really cool idea. The students first pick a plot and a setting, which is this year, it's finding friends in the Amazon rainforest. We'll do this one as a whole class, but then also have students do it in small groups of a puppet show as well. They write like a different script for that. How to make the setting. I used tri-fold boards that are typically used for science fairs to make the setting. That way the students can stand behind them, but also be able to show their puppet from each layer of the rainforest. Putting 3 tall makes them quite tall, but it's also very easy to put together. I also just used tape to put them together, clear tape, the big rolls of clear tape. I also taped the middle ones to the side so it's one large piece. We used acrylic paint, and we will add felt leaves and also make a few animals to put on either side of the setting where other animals in the rainforest live. How to make the puppet. I bought these hand puppets from the internet and then used felt to make the animals. We used tacky glue to attach them. A parent actually came in to help make these with the students, and they turned out so nice. Here is a picture of them. How to write the script. Sit in a whole group with the students and decide on the plot and their animals. I would let the students dictate their lines, and then you can type what they say. It takes a while, but it's nice. It's a nice activity for the whole class to do. I also have the older third graders be the main characters and then go down from there. That way everyone can remember their lines, which is actually pretty easy for the students to remember their lines, so don't worry about that. And then how to practice. We first do the reading of the script during like the morning read aloud, skipping the book. We just practice from the play for like weeks, sometimes like a week or 2, and then after we know it well, they'll say it without the script, and then finally we'll go practice on the stage. I hope you have fun with your class play.